Habakot ka kenta keli ha ka sngi baar ka dorbar mangtingka jong ka yeng dorbar tauan ka jela Meghalaya ha ka khatnyo terik Lamphang arja apun rio uba arden mela basayo moj wemele ka Voice of the People Party ula yeng ban pan jibit nau Lamphang ka yeng u Thomas Isangma da ka baong makat kum ka rule arspa prapuar ula ne em ban ra yakran halor ka Jingjia bat ka adjournment motion ka balong halor ki kamti do yong bean Uba ardan ula ong bawat la Lamphang hi ula kentat ya kamat yakran kumta unra menta ka kenti namar man kapor la syam bana ka liang sensyar bonsin ka penon kam da ka ketin subjudice lane badang don ha ka Jingbishar tang ban kiar na ka jingle ran ka jing ai jing ken ka basai bat ki pen slam ya ki mat yakran sanhima Ulaong bakat kum ka artikel shispa khandai pusau haka sensyar khadar ka don ka benta laj loj banyakran haka yeng bat ka bor banyatai na ka benta ki jingdon kam upat ba haba wat ki yeng ka shari ki pen scam baki jing yatai sensyar khadar omla ban khang let si baka mukodema ka sateng balada kam dei bet batuklar bat ka an Shu ulaong baki don ki benta ki ba omlong ban Shah banyatai Henry ki don ki benta ki bare ban Shah ban na ka benta bala banyakran halor ka jingpil ka rukam penyat ki jingbam trei ki polisi bat ki jinglek klet nalor ki sin jam yada Dak bapen pau ba usngau bakal yang sensyar kam dei ban ri yala di haki kendon ba ong badon ha ka Jingbishar ulaong baka ei ka ba Jia ha East Giant Hills District kadai ka badon kam ban ailat banyatai na ka benta ka jingmentoy ki patba Halor kini Lamphang ulaong bakham haswa ulaong bo menteri rangba ukondrat kes sangma ula ya kasua moto statement halor ke Jingjia Thangsko ula yok pediang bakani ka kam kalong hapadeng ke Jingbishar bat sa teng mahayeng kasari bat kumta omla banyatai bat pentep bola syem ya karai kat kum ka rule san puhnyo sub rule ka benrio Haswa bau Lamphang un penyat da kiwai pat ki kam la yeng sau Dr. Mukul sangma u MLA na songsak bod noy alam kalyang persya haka bau laong baki don ki benta yakran bariban Shah ki baya hap haka phang banyada ya ka jella Henry yakani ru u Lamphang syamla ailat bat ong ba onam yakran namar uladap syem yakarai
Under Rule 282 may I be allowed to make a submission as far as the adjournment motion is concerned
Under Rule
282
Okay, yes.
Thank you, sir. So, though you have denied me the and not admit my submission, so I would like to make a submission today, sir. Because every time, sir, we find that the executive often uses subjudice broadly to avoid embarrassment, avoid immediate accountability, and to delay political debate. So, according to Article 194, powers and privileges of the state legislature. And as a legislature, we have the freedom of speech within the House and power to discuss matters of public importance. And even courts themselves, repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred merely because the case is pending. So, sir, unless it directly interferes with adjudication. So, sir, there are few areas which we are not supposed to be allowed to discuss, and there are some areas that we are supposed to be allowed. So we know that we cannot discuss guilty, innocence, evidence in court merits, and judicial findings. However, sir, we can discuss on administrative failure, policy lapses, and government negligence, and also preventive measures, sir. So, sir, I feel that the executive should not hide itself under this provision of subjudice. So I feel that whatever happened in East Giant Hills is a matter of serious concern, that all the members of this House should be given a chance to deliberate this issue, sir. So if, sir, you allow, then I think it will be for the benefit of the people of the state. The people of the state, they are watching. They want to know exactly what led to that unfortunate incident and the matters surrounding this illegal extraction of coal in the state, sir.
Earlier, Honorable Chief Minister had already made a suo motu statement in this regard, and I have also received that this matter is subjudice and cannot be is pending at a court of law and cannot be discussed. So, accordingly, I have taken this decision based on rule number 57, subclause 6, and I stand by my decision, and the Speaker's decision is final. So we move on to item number 2.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Calling attention.
Mr. Speaker, sir. The submission made by Honourable Member, it does give space to at least place before the August House certain submissions which are very relevant for the purpose of protecting the interests of the state and the people. Now, this particular instant case, which is recent in nature, and the responsibility of the authorities to take cognizance of this kind of illegality when it comes to the notice of the authorities. Refer to the Section 21 of the MMDR Act 1957. It should have been separately tried by the government. So I would only say that in the instant case, the government should petition the Honorable Court that this case should be dealt with separately. Otherwise, every instances of these such incidents of illegality is being clubbed in the under one PIL. So I would not like to refer to the PIL, but the instant case require separate to take cognizance of this illegality separately. And maybe the government should petition the Honorable Court and accordingly proceed with a separate case. Otherwise, there will be no end to adjudication process itself. It will itself be considered as a modus operandi to create a delay in the whole adjudication process.
We will not discuss this further as I have already given my decision.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya